Hello traders, good morning, good day. Myself Ramesh and today is 4th of May 2022. Market was very much sideways and took a lot of time to give a proper breakout because we trade on volume. Volume was very thin in the beginning day, first half an hour, and then it gave a good breakout, right? So let's see what happened for the day and the market today. Okay, at 9:20 or 9:10, I gave a heads up in the free Telegram channel saying that market is opening slightly above the resistance. So wait for the volume, correct? So I hope you guys got my point clear. Right. So now what happened is right now the market opened, okay? The market opened like 100 points above, but it was on the resistance and the volume I saw it was not that great. I didn't get the proper volume to go for a CE, but still I gave one strike in CE. I told them wait for it to trigger. If the volume breaks out, then there is a trigger. Since there was no volume and it did not trigger, so we couldn't take a CE trade in the morning first session. All right. And then and everyone were like confused what to do for the day. So I told them there is a breakout. Okay. There might be a breakout. Let's wait. Let's take at least a small trade, like 20, 30 points. Let's see what will happen soon. Okay. Then let me show you to the graph what happened. Okay, so this is what happened. The market was purely sideways and it was going up and down. At this point of time, I gave one strike that is 36,000. 300 PE. I told them 270 is the opening range. So target is open. Okay, 200 was the stop loss, and luckily this guy, within a few minutes he reached around. Let me show it to you. That is 36 300, right? 36 300, and that was PE. Okay. So this guy, he gave a very good breakout. He was dancing a lot, and our entry was 270 here, and he made 440, 450 that range. Okay, he reached a very good range. He reached about 428 in this point. From 270, he made all the high of 428. This was one strike we got it, and then I told Bank Nifty if you guys are selling. Okay, if your guys are selling, plan sell on the this below, sorry. Okay, this below I told them. And I gave the target also very crystal clear. Okay, so it's in the Telegram channel and we made around 136 points. Okay, I told them sell below this range and this range. Okay, and the first target is 130. That is 36 130 was the first target, and the second target was 36062. 36062. Can you guys see here? He just took exactly where the U-turn, okay? 36062, okay? He came to my target, second target, he pulled back. Right now he's in a pulling back, okay? And this was a trade we got it. One in futures and one in options, right? So totally we got about close to 300 actually, 300 plus points. So well, let's round it up to the exact numbers. And then this was a very great day for us to do a live trade because initially it was purely sideways. Then slowly the volume gave accumulated and it gave a breakout. That was a good entry. Right now, guys, if you're holding PE, please don't hold. The market is in a pullback zone. Once this crosses, easily he will tag 2.5. Okay, easily he will tag around 50 points. Yeah, 50 points he can rise if he crosses this line. So that's a tip for the day. So don't wait for big. Okay. So market is right now is rotating. So I would suggest don't trade in this zone. Okay, and people who are in a live trade who already made money, please close your terminal. You already made big money, so happy for you guys. Okay, so anybody wants to join the live trading, please click on the link below and join. From tomorrow, we will try to make more points, and we will ensure every day we make consistent income. Right? So anybody is interested to join the live trade, you're most welcome to join the Profit Club. Okay. Thank you so much for your time and watching, and we'll catch up tomorrow. Till then, happy trading, happy money. Take care. Bye bye.